Today we are going to make turmeric milk. So here are the ingredients we are going to need. 1 cup of milk or 200 ml of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of sugar. You can use 1 teaspoon of honey instead. We have put the milk and the sugar in a pot and we'll keep this on high heat and allow the milk to come to a boil. The milk has come to a boil. We will reduce the heat to low, add the turmeric powder and give the milk a nice stir. After stirring, we'll allow the milk to simmer for about 2 minutes. If you are using honey, do not add honey and boil the milk. Add only the turmeric powder, simmer the milk for 2 minutes, then take it down, let it cool down until lukewarm, and then add the honey. After that, stir it and serve. Honey should never be heated or boiled, it becomes toxic. Stir the milk a couple of times while it is simmering. And now our milk is done. It's been about 2 minutes and the milk is ready, the turmeric milk is ready. So we'll put off the heat and transfer it to a mug. Drink this turmeric milk hot. And now let us learn about some of the amazing health benefits this turmeric milk provides. Drink this milk just before going to bed if you have difficulty in getting a good night's sleep. This brings on nice deep sleep. This milk provides relief from cough, fever, and cold and keeps the body warm. It raises body immunity and fights infections. It detoxifies the liver and also gives relief in joint pains. It reduces pain and inflammation. It strengthens the bones and also reduces weight as well as fat. Turmeric milk is a traditional Ayurvedic remedy. Do try it and give your feedback. If you like the video, please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.